Good morning, everyone. So, welcome to my YouTube channel. So, today we are going to see a question that composition of two Riemann integrable functions need not be Riemann integrable. Okay. So, if f and g are Riemann integrable function, then f of g function will not be Riemann integrable. Okay, solve it by example. Now, take this function f. Okay, so the interval 0, 1 to r defined by x is equal to 0 if x is 0 and it is 1 if x belongs to open interval 0, 1. Okay. So this function f is Riemann integrable on closed interval 0, 1 because it have only one point of discontinuity. If a function has a finite number of points of discontinuity, such function is always Riemann integrable. That is why f is Riemann integrable over closed interval 0, 1. Okay. Now you take another function gx is equal to gx from r to r. Sorry, gx from closed interval 0 to r defined by gx is equal to, it is 0 if x belongs to closed interval 0, 1 intersection r minus q. It means collection of all the, it means you take any rational point in closed interval 0, 1, your function has value 0 and it is 1 upon q if x is equal to p upon q belongs to irrational number in closed interval 0, 1. And what is GCD of P and Q is 1. Okay. So we have shown that you see our playlist Riemann integration. We have shown that G is Riemann integrable because this is restriction of Fermi function on closed interval 0, 1. That is why it is Riemann integrable and its integral is 0. This is Riemann integrable over closed interval 0. Okay. Now what is the f compose G? F compose G. Now f compose G function is, what is this? This is nothing but f G f. Okay. Okay. So we know that G is either 0 or it is Gx will be either 0. So it will be 0. Okay. If x belongs to closed interval 0, 1 intersection r minus q. Okay. And it will be 1 because 1 upon q is non-zero. That non-zero function f is 1. So if x belongs to closed interval 0, 1, okay, intersection q and x is equal to p upon q. X is equal to P upon Q, and GCD of PQ is 1. So see that it means F composed function is Dirichlet function. So F composed G is what function? This is 0 if X is irrational in interval 0, 1, and it is 1 if X is rational in closed interval 0, 1. So this is F composed G is a Dirichlet function. F composed G, this implies F composed G is Dirichlet function. And we have shown already that Dirichlet function is not Riemann integrable. So this implies F composed G is not Riemann integrable over closed interval 0, 1. Therefore, composition of four Riemann integrable function will not be Riemann integrable. Okay. F and G are Riemann integral, but F composed G is not a Riemann integral. So today's question after this, if you have any problem related to this, you can comment on my YouTube channel. Like, share, comment, and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you very much for today's question.